Good morning, students. Today we are going to read chapter 2 of History, Rise of Nationalism and Russian Revolution. First we will see about socialism, then we will read about the Russian Revolution. Means there was socialism which was required first, and then it required revolution which is known as Russian Revolution. What is socialism? Socialism means common ownership. Where common ownership? When all the common people have right to use the resources in the country. Means all the citizens, all common men, also all people, they are the owner for the country resources. Then there is socialism. There is no ownership of any particular person. Russian Revolution is the collective term here for the series of revolutions in Russia. In 1905 to 1917, which destroyed the Tsarist autocracy and led to the creation of Soviet Union. Yes, exactly. We will read from 1905 to 1917. Finally, we will see how King Tsar his autocracy was finished, destroyed, and finally Soviet Union was created. Now let us see. European states usually discriminated in socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution chapter 2, India and the contemporary world 26 favor of one religion or another. Liberals also opposed the uncontrolled power of dynastic rulers. Here we will read about the different groups from which liberals are also one group. We are talking about they don't wanted in the society that there should be uncontrolled powers are there in the hands of some people. They wanted to finish these powers, they wanted to control these powers, and they wanted to safeguard the rights of individual against governments. Means only government is having all the rights and people they are sufferer there is no individual right. This was in their minds that they wanted to control. They argued for a representative elected parliamentary government. Means they were in the favor of democracy where representative should be elected and parliamentary government should be there, subjected to law interpreted by well-trained judiciary that was independent of rulers and officials. Yes, only such type of country can become an ideal country and all type of people can live together if there is transparency in the system. If transparency is not there, systematic rule is not there, there is no democracy, people they will not feel better. However, they were not democrats. We are talking about the liberals. They were not democrats, but still they wanted to make a system in the country where democracy should be enjoyed. They did not believe in universal adult franchise. Now this is very different one thing. If they want to bring the democracy, if they want to bring a particular system in which representative should be there, parliamentary government should be there, then why they were not in the favor of universal adult franchise? That is the right of every citizen to vote. In adult franchise, we know very well that up to the age of 18, everyone should have right to vote. They felt men of property mainly should have the vote. They also did not want the vote for women. This was the very strange situation, that what type of their demands were. They wanted property owned people, they should have vote, and women should not have right to vote. Now, liberals' demands were very different, but what was the situation? Common ownership means here everybody having the right to participate in the decision on how global resources will be used. If everybody should have rights in the country, then why should not have right to women? They should also have right to vote. Means common ownership should be there, then women should also have the right to vote. Now we will also read in this chapter about the history of socialism. Socialism has its own origin. In the French Revolution, you also read about the French situation in 1789 and the changes brought about by the Industrial Revolution. And the French Revolution opened a possibility of creating a dramatic change in the way of which society was structured. We all know very well that what was there in the French society. In French society, King Louis XVI was there of the Bourbon dynasty, and how people they suffer, and finally they did revolution and they got their own type of rule, and they made their constitution, and they create a society where all the people they are equal, and fraternity is there, liberty is there, and equality is there. We read in the French Revolution, and at the rest of the European countries and even Asian countries, all they were inspired by the French Revolution. So this type of influence of French Revolution we will see in the Russian Revolution. Thank you. Next we will read tomorrow in next slides.